We're going to go over how to create a Google Meets link a few different ways so you can integrate it into your Google Classroom and have your live meetings with your kids. So first thing we're going to do is get to Google Classroom. So first, make sure you are logged into your work email. Then you will click on the waffle. These 9 dots are known as a waffle. Then you're going to click Classroom. This will bring you to your Classroom homepage where it will display all of your Google Classrooms. And yours should, when you click on a class, yours should look something like this. It'll say generates meet link. This is what we're going to focus on. When you click on that, it'll then turn into this. This eyeball right here means that it is not visible to students. I recommend leaving that turned off. Google has said that once you leave the meeting or you don't start the meeting, that kids cannot access it, but in my experience, that has not been the case. So I just recommend having it off. If you want to change that, you can go to your settings. So click on your wheel, scroll down to Meets, and turn that on. Another cool thing that you can do here is say that you have been using the same link and you want to change that. You can click on this drop down and click reset. This will give you a new link for your Google Classroom and you can use a different one every time, or if you just want to refresh it, I do it once a week. It's really up to you. So that's how you get Google Meets on your Google Classroom. To create a meeting, you just click on the link. It's going to bring you here. Once it finishes loading, you can click join now and that will launch your meeting. Once you are in your meeting, you'll be given this information. So you can click copy joining information. What I do is go to share something with your class and paste it. So all kids will need to do is click that link. So just a tip, when I know I'm going to have office hours or something, I brief my kids with that on Monday, and I will post my schedule here on Monday, say what time we're meeting, what time office hours are. So I'll put our agenda, and that'll stay there on Monday. And then when it is time to meet, I will go in and edit and just drop in that link, click save, and it updates it. If you want this to always be at the top of your page, you'll be able to move to top once you have more posts. I think this is the simplest way to start a meeting. This is what I do. There are a few other ways you can do that, like doing it through your calendar. So similarly, you'll click on your waffle, click calendar, and then you'll go ahead and create a meeting. And you can add a Google Meets conferencing. I don't have too much experience with this, but I know this is a way you can schedule a meeting ahead of time. The other option is clicking on your waffle, clicking Meet, joining and starting a meeting just like we did previously, and then copying and pasting into your Google Classroom. This just kind of adds an extra step, so I recommend you do it from your Google Classroom.